Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix pending transactions on PayPal. Sometimes, payments are pending for various reasons, like security checks to protect both buyers and sellers, or if the recipient hasn't claimed the money. If you've sent an e-check, it typically takes 3 to 5 business days to clear. New sellers might also see funds held for up to 21 days as PayPal builds trust. As a buyer, you have a few steps to take if your payment is pending. First, double-check that you sent the money to the correct email address or phone number. If the payment is unclaimed, you can usually cancel it directly from your PayPal activity page. If it's pending for other reasons, reaching out to the recipient can often clarify the situation quickly. Also, confirm your linked bank or card is verified and has enough funds. For sellers, pending payments often relate to security or new account status. Ensure your PayPal account is fully verified to avoid common holds. For physical goods, adding tracking information to the transaction can significantly speed up fund release, often within 1 day of delivery. If you're selling services or digital items, mark them as order processed or shipped. Promptly resolving any buyer disputes is also crucial for releasing funds. If you've tried the suggested steps and your payment is still pending, it's time to contact PayPal support. This is especially true if a payment has been pending for more than 21 days or if you've exhausted all self-service options. Before calling, have your transaction details and account information ready. Their team can provide specific guidance and investigate more complex issues to help get your funds moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.